Dear struggler, listen carefully. Life is not a movie. Nobody is coming to save you. In the beginning, someone clap for you. In the middle, people doubt you. At the end, you stand alone. When your business fails, when money is not coming, when you're on, people say, leave it, this is not for you. That silent pain at night, only you and Bhagwan know it. That's the simple definition of every struggle. Every soul has its own battlefield. As a Sikh, I have learned one thing. A warrior does not beg for support. A warrior sharpens his sword. And what is your sword? Your work. If you don't love your work, pressure will break you. If you don't enjoy your struggle, loneliness will destroy you. So stop waiting for motivation, stop waiting for validation. But yes, learn to wait for right time. Every seed needs to grow, every warrior needs to prepare. Your time will come, and when your time comes, you will not need any sympathy, you will not need approval. You will have so much strength inside you that you can crush every obstacle standing in your way. Not with anger, not with hatred, but with power, with discipline, with unstoppable focus. Right now, maybe people ignore you, but a phase will come when your presence alone will shake the room. Remember this. In the final round of life, you don't fight people, you fight your fear, your laziness, your excuses. Win that battle first, because when you conquer yourself, no one outside can stop you. So fall in love with your work, turn your struggle into meditation, turn your effort into prayer. Stay silent, stay disciplined, wait for your time. And when your time arrives, you won't need sympathy. You will become the storm. The final victory is yours, but only if you are ready to fight alone and wait like a warrior. A time will come when you will take revenge to them who kicked you unethically for no reason. So it was a short message for you guys. I hope you enjoyed by watching this. And if you like this, hit your comment, hit your opinion, and share among your friends, among your circle. Thank you so much.